Hello friends, today our topic is Muslims in South Asia. Delhi Sultanate and Mughal Empire both are included in this topic. Let's start our lesson. Delhi Sultanate 1206 to 1526 CE. CE means Common Era. Muslim rule was established in northern India under Qutbuddin Aibak, who founded the Delhi Sultanate in 1206 CE under the Mamluk dynasty. The Delhi Sultanate was an Islamic dynasty based in Delhi. It ruled over large parts of South Asia for 320 years, 1206 to 1526 CE. Five dynasties were included in the Delhi Sultanate sequentially. Number 1, Mamluk or Slave Dynasty 1206 to 1290 CE. After the death of Shahabuddin Muhammad Ghori in 1206 CE, the first dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate was established. Number 2, Khilji Dynasty 1290 to 1320 CE. Number 3, Tughlaq Dynasty 1320 to 1413 CE. Number 4, Sayyid Dynasty 1414 to 1451 CE. Number 5 is Lodhi Dynasty 1451 to 1526 CE. Map of Delhi Sultanate. This is a map of Delhi Sultanate. Sultan Mahmud Ghaznavi. Mahmud Ghaznavi 1971 to 1030 CE was the first independent ruler of Ghaznavid dynasty in Ghazna. He was the son of Subakhtagin. Mahmud ruled from 1998 to 1030 CE. He attacked subcontinent between 1000 and 1027 CE. Main reasons for Sultan Mahmud Ghaznavi's invasion of the subcontinent 17 times are: to make Ghazni a powerful force in Central Asian politics, to expand his dynasty to a large part of Central Asia. This is a map of Ghaznavid dynasty. Shahabuddin Muhammad Ghori. Shahabuddin Muhammad Ghori from 1173 to 1206 Common Era was the Muslim ruler. Shahabuddin Muhammad Ghori laid the foundation of Islamic rule in India. He was from the region of Ghor in central Afghanistan. He was well aware of India's political, religious, social and military weaknesses, and also the enormous wealth and gold that India had. Many reasons have been given for the invasion of India by Shahabuddin Muhammad Ghori. It is pointed out that he was a very ambitious and enterprising prince. He considered himself to be the heir to the Punjab, which belonged to the empire of Ghazni. Reasons of Shahabuddin Muhammad Ghori for invading India are given below. Being a Muslim, he might like to conquer the Hindus of India and spread Islam in that country. Reasons of security also demanded that he must defeat Khusro Malik. Khusro Malik, the ruler of the Punjab, and the Karmatians of Multan. In 1173 Common Era, the Ghoris conquered Ghazni from the Ghaznavids. In 1186, from 7th CE, he conquered Lahore. He ended the Ghaznavid dynasty and brought the last of Ghaznavid territory under his control. Map of Ghori dynasty. In 1191 CE, Shahabuddin Muhammad Ghori attacked the territory of Prithvi Raj Chauhan of Ajmer, but was defeated. He once again invaded the kingdom of Ajmer. Shahabuddin Muhammad Ghori's army met Prithvi Raj Chauhan's army again at Tehran in 1192 CE. This time he was victorious and he captured Delhi. Mamluk dynasty 1206 to 1290 CE. In Arabic language, the word Mamluk translated as one who is owned meaning slave. Since the sultans of this dynasty were earlier slaves or were the sons of former slaves, the Mamluk dynasty came to be known as the slave dynasty. The Mamluk dynasty, slave dynasty, ruled over Delhi in the 13th century CE and was founded by Qutbuddin Aibak, a Turk Mamluk slave general of the Ghori dynasty. A soldier of slave origin who converted to Islam was called Mamluk. This dynasty was among the first few dynasties to rule as the Delhi Sultanate. Map of Mamluk dynasty. In 1206 CE, Shahabuddin Muhammad Ghori, Sultan of Ghori dynasty, was assassinated. Since he had no children, his empire split into minor sultanates led by his former Mamluk generals. The Mamluk dynasty ruled from 1206 CE to 1290 CE. This is a picture of tomb of Qutbuddin Aibak in Lahore. Timeline of Mamluk dynasty 1206 to 1210 CE. Qutbuddin Aibak 1210 to 1211 CE. Aram Shah 1211 to 1236. Shamsuddin Al-Tutmash 1236 CE. Ruknuddin Firoz 1236 to 1240 CE. Razia Sultan 1240 to 1242 CE. Muizuddin Behram 1242 to 1246 CE. Alauddin Masood 1246 to 1266 CE. Nasiruddin Mahmud 1266 to 1287 CE. Ghiyasuddin Balban 1287 to 1290 CE. Muizuddin Muhammad Kakobad. Contributions of Al-Tutmash as a ruler. Shamsuddin Al-Tutmash was a slave but brave soldier. He is said to be the greatest ruler of the Mamluk dynasty. He was the third Muslim Turk Sultan of the Sultanate of Delhi. He was the third ruler of Mamluk dynasty. Al-Tutmash organized the administration of Sultanate, laying the foundation for its dominance over northern India until the Mughal invasion. He also shifted his capital from Lahore to Delhi. He introduced the silver tanka and the copper jittal, the two basic coins of Sultanate period. He also built the Quwwatul Islam Masjid in Delhi. Al-Tutmash stopped the Mongols' attack in 1221 CE, led by the Mongol Emperor Genghis Khan, and defended his dynasty. He completed the Qutb Minar, which was started by Qutbuddin Aibak. He strengthened and expanded the Muslim dynasty in northern India. Al-Tutmash was efficient as well as capable military commander. He died in 1236 CE. He was succeeded by his daughter Razia Sultan as the next ruler of Delhi. The Delhi Sultanate was stretched over large parts of South Asia for 320 years, 1206 to 1526 CE.